Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. This is your boy Shady. So if you have if you have seen the thumbnail of the video, I must assume that you guys got an idea what the vlog is all about. So please stick around, okay, because I brought this bike which is pre-owned Royal Enfield 411 BS4 with dual channel ABS, and it has few issues, issue after issue it's coming. So I'm like, is it a regret? But it's not a regret, because these issues that are coming up will teach me about the bike. It will teach me what are the issues that comes, not just that I watch someone's video and know about, but just experience myself and know, so that when I get the 452 there won't be any problem. So today in this video I'll take you through everything that's going to happen, okay. Today the Royal Enfield technician from India, Bogaigaon, is coming out here, because I called him. Stick till the end, okay. If you are non-biker, it will be a knowledge. If you are a biker, it will definitely be helpful to you. And if you are a Royal Enfield rider, and if you are from Bhutan, where we have very minimum services of Royal Enfield, and it's so expensive as well. Hello guys, so finally I've reached to the taxi stand where I met the Royal Enfield engineers. Let me look at them in the mirrors. So they are coming. It must be their first time, or I don't know. So I'm going really slow. We are going through this below taxi parking to Pema's place, where we can sit out there and make the bike, repair the bike. Alright, so all the issues that this bike has, I'm gonna tell him, because he is a real technician, so he will have an idea. So this was the tensioner, okay. So this is the thing. So this is what has been changed now, and the rest everything is fine like he told me. So engine is sealed, okay, and everything was good. To change this, the overall cost that I had to bear was around 7,500, okay, because I had to pay the price that they came here, so I had to pay that. Now the bike is good, so they confirmed it. All right, so they were not letting me to make the video, because they won't allow you to shoot at showroom as well. So maybe because of that. So kuch is tarah hai beast, guys. So I'll be doing so many adventure with this thing. And he even took this bike for a test ride, and he confirmed that the bike is good, in a great condition. But the gear is little bit hard, because the clutch plate, it gets changed around 2200 kilometer. So now I have run approximately, I rode this bike around, let's check, okay, 2192, okay, something 2100 approximately. Rest everything looks great. This is a great bike, awesome, very hard to handle in the parking area for me, because I was not used to with this. अनि त्यही हो, अब बाइक पनि राम्रै बन्ने जस्तो लाग्यो. Thank you. ओके गाइस, सो मैं पेमा के घर से निकल रहा हूँ, ठीक है. And let's show the bike and see how the bike is from the rider who is much experienced, because I can't figure it out right now, because I haven't been riding this bike. It hasn't even been 1 month, maybe like 1 week that I have brought this bike. So within 1 week I can't tell properly about the bike condition as well. So okay, this is where I should be parking my bike. Narayan Dai is here, so he will be checking the bike condition right now. So
okay, tank motor is on now.
Okay. So tanky motor is on. Okay. So he is listening to the sound. कैसा सुनता है, कैसा है?
कुदाएर हेर्नु एकखेप दाजु हेलमेट चाहिँदैन हेलमेट अन्त ओके सो हि इज जस्ट डुइङ सम टेस्ट राइट हो रहेछ even the pickup has been good because last time he was the one to tell me about the condition of the bike. So see, he's doing some off-roading, actual off-roading. Here's
यहाँ के हेरेको हँ
तेरे बाप की रोड है भाई साहब मैं तो बता रहा हूँ आपके बाप की रोड है चला चला मुझे क्या पहला पहला
टिलिटी टल्किँदैछ दामी कसलाई सुहाउँदैछ बाइक कुदाउनु सही न क्लासिक ठिक छ यस्तोमा घोप्टो परेर कुदाउनु भन्दा त यो पनि ठक्क चेन्ज गर्छ हैन
यो पछाडि चेन्ज हुन्छ यो हेडलाइट चेन्ज हुन्छ
दोकानहरु लड्छला यहाँनेर यो ठक्क लाउनु हैन समात्दा त परिँदैछ होला नि त
त्यही त अब यहाँ चाहिँ ब्याग हुन्छ दाजु ब्याग सेटल ब्याग टप बक्स त नलाउनु होला ब्याग एउटा हेर्नुपर्छ
बक्स पाउँछ नि सानो
बक्स पनि पाउँछ लाउनुपर्छ होला पछाडि
अब यस्तो नि डकुमेन्ट्सहरु
इम्पोर्टेन्ट डकुमेन्ट्सहरु लक
त्यहाँदेखि चेन लुब्रिकेन्टहरु त्यहाँदेखि अब
रेन्जहरु सानो सानो
हैन कन्डमहरु
के बोले भाई अब के बोले
सेफ्टी किट्स ओके ओके दाइ त्यो चाहिँ त्यस्तो हल्लिँदो रहेछ नि त्यो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होला मन पऱ्यो दाजु तपाईँ नि हिमालयन ल्याउने कि
लैजा गाडी बाइक दे
यो टुक्सन बेस्ट कन्डिसन रहेछ तर अब अहिले बाइकको सकै गएको छैन हो ल थ्याङ्क यू दाइ सो आम क्वाइट ह्याप्पी विथ वाट ही सेड